I'll guide you through how you can accept the license agreement on Rocket League. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's do this.
First off, we are in the main menu. I press left click on settings, I open settings, then I scroll to the far right and locate extras. I press on extras. You see all the legal agreements here, and you press one by one. You open EULA, you scroll to the bottom and press OK. You open Terms of Service, scroll to the bottom and press OK. You open Privacy Policy and you press OK after scrolling to the bottom. You open Secret Act, you press OK. You open Payment Service Act and you press OK. That is it. Thank you for watching.